This is the way I am going to do the petals. I am going to use satin stitch for this. Satin stitch, simple stitch. Do not leave any gap between the stitches. After completing the satin stitch, I will do the border using chain stitch. Take small stitches, take the thread round the needle and just pull up the needle. That's all. Take small stitches, this way I am going to complete the border. I have taken 3 strands of thread. I'll do the center of the flower in a different way. I have drawn these lines from here. I will go down here. Then again you pick it up from here. Again go down here. Come up from the next one. Go down here. Again come up. Go down here. Again pick it up from here. Go down here. Again go down from here. I will do another line over here because the center of this, because there is too much of gap over here. Just go down here. That's all. You may do another one over here in between this. And over here. Just go down here. That's all. For the border, I am going to do back stitch. Just go back here. This is for the border. Just go back and come up in front. This is only for the border. Simple back stitch. That's all. Using a lighter shade of pink, after doing this, I am going to do crisscrosses for all these. Just pick it up from here, go down from here, again come up from this side. It's just like a cross stitch and go down. Just fix this. That's all. For all these I am going to do. It is just like a cross stitch. Go down from here, come up and go down here. That is all. Just like a cross stitch. This is the way I am going to do for all this. Very simple but looks very nice. That's all. For this part of the leaf, I am going to do first running stitch and do the stitches parallel to each other. Running stitch, simple running stitch. After completing the running stitch, I'll do this. Just go through the stitches. That's all. Not in and out. Just through the stitches. Put the needle down. Again, for the next line, come up from here. the needle through all the stitches. And put the needle down. That's all. This way I am going to complete this portion of the leaf. It's only through the stitches. After completing this, for the border, I am going to do stem stitch. Only for this side. For this side of the leaf, I am going to do satin stitch. Simple satin stitch for filling in. This way I am going to complete the leaf. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, kindly like, share and subscribe.